TikTok Lite balance checked. So, hey guys, on this video I'll be teaching you how to check your balance here on TikTok Lite. So if you ever have want to earn points right here on TikTok Lite and want to see how much points you've earned, but I'm guessing if you just want to know how to earn coins right here in TikTok Lite and want to check your balance, how much coins you have. Here I covered it for you in this video, so you don't have to waste your time in finding it. Anyways, guys, let's get started. All we need to do is open your TikTok Lite. On the bottom right corner, just click on me. After pressing on me right there, you will see reward right there. So most of the time you will only see like two right there just below the ad bio, like reward, and I think the other one is media player. Yeah, reward and media player. So it won't be that hard to find it. So if it's not available for you, maybe stick it in a certain countries or regions, or your age doesn't qualify to the limit of the rewards. But all we need to do is click on right here, reward. If you have, then after pressing on that, there you go, you will see your points. There you go, you will see your points. And if you haven't have points yet, you can just click on start right here. There you go, there you go, you'll be able to just watch videos right there. This is that. So anyways, guys, there you go. As you can see, this is 24 hours. Here you go. Anyways, there you go. That's how we do it. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you have questions, concerns, type it out in the comment section below, guys. We'll be happy to answer as soon as possible. I'll see you my coins on 0. So guys, see you guys on the next one, and thank you guys.